everyone, welcome to live stream. All of you, very good evening. Welcome to live stream only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. I hope you all are doing super good. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone, for the wishes. Thank you so much, RN Gupta. Thank you so much, PA Shaji. Thank you so much, Johnny. Thank you so much, Apni Patshala. Thank you so much, Priyanshu Raj. Thank you so much, Mansab. Okay, hi, Adna. Thank you so much, Shalini. Thank you so much, Kishore. Thank you so much, Jeevan Reddy. Thank you so much, Om. Thank you so much, Rahul. Thank you so much, Asha Food Products. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Jeevan Reddy. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Apni Patshala. Thanks a lot, Jeevan Reddy. Thanks a lot, Rajan. Thanks a lot, Ramakrishna. Thanks a lot, Shiva Sai. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Jeevan Reddy. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Pratik. Thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone, for these lovely wishes for me. Thanks a lot, love you for all of these things. So yeah, how are you people doing? Tell me. Great. So yeah, today in the live stream we will be doing a very cool project. Om Gupta, hats off to you, even teaching on a birthday for us. Yeah, obviously I'll be here every time for you because even it's my birthday, so I'll celebrate that with the most supporting, the most loving people whom I am having, and those are you all only. So yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, everyone, for supporting me every time, for motivating me, for loving me a lot over here, and especially a lot for all of these wishes, guys. Money, thank you. Thanks a lot, Money. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Nikhil. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Asha Food Products. All the best for your subscribers so that we're going to launch on Monday. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, Pratik. Yes, so yeah, on Monday it's gonna be a very awesome thing because I am gonna announce and launch a very new series for you all, and that is data structures and algorithms with the Python programming language. So yes, it's gonna be super fun learning DSA with Python. All the practical implementations, all the questions, all the answers, all the explanation, everything will be done in a very beautiful manner for all of you, right? So do watch on Monday in morning, 9 a.m. it start out, okay? Hi, Stark. I'm very super dear sisters. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you for. I'm happy to listen that home, Nikhil. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Nikhil. Gulshan, happy birthday. बता नहीं दिया आपने, हम गिफ्ट देते हैं आपको. बताओ कि आपको क्या पसंद है. Happy birthday, sister. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, Gulshan. It's just that what I want from you all is your support and love, guys, and nothing more than that. And yeah, that you people are currently showing me a lot, and today only I completed 5 lakh plus views onto my Josh Talks video. So that completely shows me what a kind of support and love you people are showing me. So yeah, that's what I want from you also. Yeah, thanks a lot, everyone, for that. DS in Python आज शुरू करना चाहिए था. Well, Monday is also good. Thank you, Sri Vatsan. Yes, Rahul, it should be started today, but Monday is a new fresh week, so that's the reason I'm gonna start it for a very fresh week actually. Thank you, thanks a lot, RN Gupta. Thanks a lot, Asha Food Products. Thank you, thanks a lot, Amar. Birthday gift में DSA मिल रहा. Yes, as a return gift, I am giving you all that DSA course which you people were demanding for a very long time. Live series, no, Apni Pathshala, currently it's gonna be online. I'll be recording that for you all, right, and I'll be putting the videos, but slowly gradually, if the response would be good, it will be increased slowly and gradually. So yeah, I'll try to make it live videos. I'll just try to do the live streams for the DSA also. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Keshav. Okay, Pratik. Looking forward for your DSA. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Vinay. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, Astak. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Satvik. Pratik, will you upload a new video every day? Yeah. So yeah, Pratik, I'll be uploading up the new videos every day into the data science series only. I'll be uploading it every day. Okay. What are we making today, ma'am? Yes, I was about to come onto that topic only. So yeah, as you all know, today is my birthday, so we'll be making up a sort of a birthday project only, right? So that's what we're gonna make, a happy birthday wishing project, right? So you can just make up this project with me over here today, and you can just wish anyone birthday in a very new and a very different style. Right, so let's get started up here, guys, for that birthday project which I have planned in for you all. Let's get started. Great. So the project is not very long. Okay, it's quite a short project, but then also you just need to like see what are the libraries which are getting used over here. Okay, you need to look in over that what functions I am using. Okay. अपनी पाठशाला prerequisites for series D. अपनी पाठशाला nothing as in a very prerequisite, but basic knowledge of Python should be there. Okay, not too much. I'm not asking you to go over object-oriented programming, OOPS or thread threading. Not those. A little information about your basic programming, like your keywords identifiers. Okay, your functions. Yeah, that's a very basic knowledge which is needed for Python. That series. Okay, Himanshu, thank you. Thanks a lot, Himanshu. Thanks a lot for the wishes. Chetan, many more happiness of the day, ma'am. You're such a wonderful person. Have a long life. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Chetan, for this wonderful wishes. Start Jeevan, don't speak less in class. Okay, perfect. So we will be starting with the birthday project for now, right? So libraries which I'm going to use. Let me start on with that library. So I'm going to write import pygame. Now this will be a sort of project. Let me give you an idea that what kind of project it is going to be. So it's going to be a sort of a project where when I run this out as a final output, I would say a picture of me will come in that I have made onto my own. A picture will come in over there, and with that picture there will be a background music of the happy birthday song. Okay, that is how it's gonna be, the particular whole program. So onto the full screen I'll be having up a birthday picture, and with that a background music will be playing in, that is for your happy birthday to you, that particular music. Okay, so this is how this project is going to be. So for putting the image and even for your music, I'll be using up the pygame library. Okay, that's what I'll be using up over here. Thank you so much, Amit. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you, Tinkle. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, Amit. Apni Pathshala, which ID you using the at this time? Okay, so Apni Pathshala, I am using the pycharm IDE at this time. Okay, now you people can use any IDE, your pycharm, your I will say sublime, jupyter, spyder, any offline IDE you people can use in. Okay, so yeah, perfect. Import pygame, and here I'm gonna write from time. I am gonna import the sleep function. So time is my other module which I am having up. Right, time is one of the modules which I am having up, and from that particular module, I am going to start up I'm just going to import up the sleep function. Okay, sleep function, what it will help me to do? Let's say there is one print statement. I want that to print as soon as I run the program. Next print statement I want that it should run in after 5 seconds or after 10 seconds. In that case, your sleep function will help you to run in your commands after a very short duration of time. That is what is your sleep function. I hope I'm clear with that, right? That's the reason I'll be using up the sleep function. Gautam saying, ma'am, how to start earning in college? Okay, Gautam, if you want to start earning in the college, there are lots and lots of options which you have in, right? So for that, I already had made up a video onto my channel, that is what are the different ways you can earn, right? In this manner, I had made in some videos that are already onto my channel. Okay, so you can just go over there onto the channel, just go into the videos section, right? And from that video section, try to search in a video where I have told in how you can start earning in your college, how you can start early into your 20s, right? So you can just refer up those videos, and from there you can just like try to find out that what is the respective particular option, I'll say, or particular thing which you will be requiring, and particular video, and you can just take that and further proceed in, right? That is what you have to do in. So I hope I'm clear with that. Got him? Thank you. Thanks a lot, Winnie. Thanks a lot. Varnika, ma'am, please provide roadmap for learning data science. Varnika, you can go over my playlist section. Into that playlist section, check out the playlist for the roadmaps. In that roadmaps playlist, you'll get in a roadmap for the data science. Okay, you can refer that particular one. Jeevan Reddy, thank you. Thanks a lot. Mohammed Safi, thank you. Thanks a lot, Mohammed Safi. Can you tell me best application for Python programming? Mohammed Safi, it's again individual choice. Some people prefer Jupyter notebooks. Some people prefer pycharm. I prefer pycharm over the Jupyter notebooks. Okay, so again, you can just simply, I'll say, use any of the ideas. If you want, you can use pycharm also. It's also a good option. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Stark, for showing your support over here. And thank you. Thanks a lot for the wishes. Perfect. Okay, everyone, let's proceed in, guys, right? So the pygame library has been imported. My time function has been imported. What I'll do, I'll just show you the image which I was talking about, which I have. Now see, this is one of the image which I am having up over here with me. The dimensions for this is 1589 cross 880. Again, I'll repeat, 1589 cross 880. This is the respective dimension which I am having, and it is a PNG format, right? Now I want each and every one of you over here to download one birthday image from internet, which will be of, you can take 1500 cross 800 dimensions, right? But the format should be PNG only. No JPEG, no GIF, nothing. Only and only your PNG file will be the one which will work in for you, right? So you just need to download one birthday image and a birthday song also. Song should be in MP3 format. Make sure image, I'll just write in the here over. So image will be .png format, okay? And my song will be .mp3 format. Okay, that is what do you have to do. So very quickly, you can just go over the internet and try downloading these two stuffs for you at your end, and save these files into the same folder into which you have saved up your Python file in which you're writing the code. Again, I'll repeat. Save both of the image and the song onto the same folder into which you have saved your Python file, right? In that same folder, you just have to save in up the image and the song. Do that very quickly. Till the time I'll try to answer some questions. Can we use VS Code for doing? Yeah, see, Sritam, absolutely you can use a VS Code. Absolutely you can use. No worries. Mansab, Shambhavi, can you please make a video which company had data analyst and what are the processes? Final student data science if you make a video. Sure, Mansab, thank you. Thank you for the suggestion. I'll sure try to just make this video very, very soon. Okay, thank you for the suggestion. Most welcome, Mohammed Safi. Apni Prachala ma'am, which course do you purchase from Udemy for starting a journey in the initial days of a college for learning data science? Okay, Apni Prachala, that was not a course from Udemy. Actually, that was a startup, right? Actually, currently, what is happening into that startup, that same course is not there now, right? So that is the reason I'm not telling you people about that course or that particular platform. That course is not available right now. So once it gets available now, I'll let you know all with a special video. I'll inform you all that this was the course which I did have taken. If you want, you can also take that particular course, right? So that is the reason I'm just not disclosing up the name. PHRG, can we use Atom? Yeah, you can use Atom. Works. Okay. Perfect. So my Pygame and these two things have been done over here. Now I'm gonna initialize up my Pygame library. So pygame.init. That is, what I'm doing is, whenever you are using up a Pygame library, right, it's always necessary for you to initialize that library. Initialization means that you are fixing it up over here, that now you will be using up the functions from the Pygame library for the further of your use, right? That's done. Next, I'm going to take up a variable, let's say that is window, right? I'm going to use a pygame dot, I'm going to use a display function. Okay, pygame dot display dot set underscore mode. Now, if you had heard me in the very starting, I was telling you all that whenever I will run up this particular complete project, what will happen? The image which I am having, it will sort of cover up my whole screen, right? So for covering up that whole screen of mine with that particular image, I am using up the set underscore mode function over here, right? So I'll just write it up over here like 0, 0. That is, I'm just starting from the initial left hand side corner, top left hand side corner. I'm starting from that particular position. I'll be covering up my whole screen. And for covering, what I'm going to use pygame dot one function which is full screen. So pygame dot full screen. So what it will do, one second. Right, so what it will do, it will just help me to setting up a mode, and even it will help me to full screen make up my Pygame, make up my screen and make up my image as full screen image. That's what this particular statement is helping you to do, right? So I hope I am pretty clear with these two statements to everyone. If I can get a confirmation in the chat box, everyone. Okay, Satvik, it's your birthday and you're still teaching classes for us. Thank you. Okay, thank you, and yeah, most welcome, Satvik. But as I said and told you people in the starting only, that because of you people, because of the support which people are doing, because of the love you people are showing to me, I'm here today, right? I am like here in front of you people today. So that is the reason every good thing I'm gonna celebrate with all of you over here, right? So my birthday is a good thing also for me. So yeah, that's the reason I'm celebrating up here with all of you, some learning new things, having some words with you all, and talking to you people. Yeah, that's what can be the best thing for on a birthday, right? So yeah, that's best. Mansa, thank you for watching your video. Wish you were amazing and learned a lot from this. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, Mansa. Hey, PHR. Second zero denotes what? Second zero is that I'm talking about the x and the y axis. The first zero is referring to your x axis, and the second zero is referring up to your y axis. So x and y values I have written 0, 0. Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Nomad, ma'am, speaking English per video banaya. Sure, sure. Thank you. Thanks for the suggestion. I'll sure try to make that one. Okay. Great. That is all done. Now I'll just try to load in up the image. So image. Now I hope up till the time you all even might have downloaded some images for you also, some birthday image actually. So I'm just gonna write pygame dot image dot. I'm gonna use up the load function, which will help me to load in up my image over here, right? Load. and my image name is Shambhavi Gupta.png. This is my image name which I had shown you. This particular image is of this particular name, Shambhavi Gupta.png. Okay, that is what it is. Now, when I have loaded in my image, I even need to write in that how do I want that to appear, right? Even I need to use some functions so that I can even update up the image also. So yeah, these things are required for me, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write window dot. I'll be using up a blit function. Blit in the bracket, I'm going to use image, blit image comma 0 comma 0. 1 second. Yes. Now see and listen what is actually happening up here. Try to be very careful for next 1 minute. So I have just loaded up my image which is shambhavigupta.png, right? Now what I told you, I told you that I wanted an image which is starting from the left top side corner and is covering up my complete screen, right? Or you can say down left hand side corner and covering up my whole screen. So that is the reason I wrote 0 comma 0. What is blit? See, blit function, if you are having multiple images with you, if you are having many images with you, so what will this blit function do? It will automatically try to, very frequently it will try to change in up your images. Let's say here in this program I have only one image, so not in a worry. But let's say sometimes you might have different images which you want to slideshow or something like that, right? So there you can just use up this blit function and you can just try to switch over the next next image or next picture very smoothly. So that is what is this blit function helping you to do up over here, right? Okay, Sandy Singh, amazing little consistency, dedication and persistence. You have Shambhavi, may you grow leaps and bounds in life and career. Thank you, thanks a lot, Sandy Singh. Prithvi, thank you, thanks a lot, Prithvi. Thanks a lot, Raja. Thanks a lot, Sudarshan. Thank you, thanks a lot, Technometa. Thanks a lot. Okay, Rahul. After DS, Algo also covered. Yes, Rahul. Algorithms are also covered in that one. It's covered. Aaron Gupta, line gap का मतलब क्या होता है? Aaron Gupta, I'm not able to get to you clearly. If you can help me out with a little bit more, elaborate onto your question, or if you're asking with what reference, if you can give me, right? What's the idea behind which you're asking this question? If you can help me out, I'll be like much easier for me to answer. Now when I had loaded my image, I had set in my image. Now next thing which goes is that I'll be writing pygame.display.update. So what I'm doing, I'm just updating up my display over there. As I told you now, if the image will be changed, if there will be many images, so this all with what it will do, it will just try to update up those images very frequently, very fast, right? We'll just try to update up all of those particular images, right? So that is what is this particular update function doing. Now here comes in my main idea, and that is my sleep function. As I told you, whenever you are using up any particular print statement, any function, anything, and let's say you have written one or the other statement, and what do you want? You just want that after this one statement, after this particular one statement, it should take a 10 seconds of break, a 10 seconds of gap, then my next statement should be printed in. That is where your sleep function will help you out. Let's say I want the first part of my program to run in very quickly, and after that I wanted to pause for next 5 seconds, and after that I want the second part of my program to run. So the sleep function will help me to allow me to do so particular thing about giving up a pause or a break in between the executing of the two statements, two or more than two statements. That is what sleep is doing. So here I'm just giving up a gap of 1 second. Okay. Okay, one second. Hi Santosh, thanks a lot Ankitande. Pratik's line 11 will display the image. Mm, no, see, it will not display up the image. See, listen me out very clearly. If we're talking about my line number 10, okay, if I talk about line number 10, so that is loading up my image, right? Now, if we're talking about my line number 11, so if I have some multiple images with me, see what happens here. Okay, understand. If I have multiple images, I have one image, two images, and three images with me. What I want for the next 5 seconds, first image should be there. For the next 5 seconds, second image, and for the next 5 seconds, my third image, right? Now the changement between the first and the second image, that should be very frequent. Otherwise, your program will not look nice, and it will look like that all the things are getting in some way, it is getting stuck. It will show in like that, right? So that is what blit function is doing. It will help you to shift in from one image to the other image very quickly, very frequently, so that there is no break or no pause in between, so that your program runs very smoothly, right? So this was Pratik. Pratik, I hope now am I clear to you about that what will the line number 11 do, and the image will be displayed with your line number 12. That is your update function. Okay. Perfect. Okay, most welcome Rahul. Ma'am, can I get the pseudo code? Sure, Santosh. I'll just try to pseudo code. Yeah, I'll try to put it in the chat box. Okay, I'll try. Prudvi, can we learn DSA in Python, because people say that Python is slow, Didi. Yeah, Prudvi, actually, see what's the idea. If you're going for a software development field or some fields like that, right, where your Java and JavaScript, those are the things which are more onto there. So I recommend you go with those. But if you're going onto a field where only and only your Python can be used, as in like your data science, right, as in your artificial intelligence, or I'll say as in your machine learning, deep learning, these fields I'm talking about, right? So there you do not have any other option for any other respective field to for any other particular programming language to study out, right? So that is where your Python will only be required. So you can study and proceed in with the data structures and algorithms of your Python only, right? And you can just do out the respective stuff because you do not have any other option, right? But in the software development, if you're for Java, C++, or JavaScript, yes, you can learn that and you can proceed in that particular case also. Okay. Okay, so yeah, Santosh Kumar, I'll provide this pseudo code. Absolutely, I do. Jyoti, Mio, Demant, you're full of happiness, salam, blessing, happy with the Shan. Thank you, thanks a lot for the wonderful wishes, Jyoti. Thanks a lot. Hi, Sayed. Welcome to live stream. Apne English kaise seekhi? Okay, Sayed, I recommend you one thing. Very quickly go over the Josh Talks spoken English channel and watch out my video about how did I learn English. Okay, I'll get that video over there. Okay, go and search for Shambhavi Gupta over YouTube. You'll get my Josh Talk video, and from there you can just watch out the complete video and see how I have learned English. Okay, perfect. Okay, okay. Let's proceed in everyone. So my image has been loaded, right? Next thing which I am having is I'll be using up my pygame dot mixer.init. Now what is this mixer.init? This mixer.init, this is actually I'll say whenever you are using or whenever you're having up any respective song with you. As I told you, this project is gonna be like that. I'll be putting up the I'll say image, and onto that background, at the background there will be a music which will be going on, right? So whenever I will be wanting that music in any of my projects, I'll be using up the pygame library. With pygame, I will be using the mixer. Mixer is the function which will help me to play my music at a background music into my respective program. I hope I am clear with this respective thing to everyone about what is this mixer function doing over here, right? So it's just for the playing up of my music, nothing more than that. Pratik, so if I give window blit image 1 and then window blit image 2, window blit image and window blit image 4, and then the blade, what will happen? So Pratik, into that particular case, your different images will come in from different positions. First image will come from 0 0. Second image will come from x value will be 720 and y will be value 0. Third image will be from x0, y 720, and fourth image will be from x and y 720, 720. These are your x and the y values which you are giving, right? So from wherever you are giving up the x values, from that point only your values will come in, and and from that particular point only your image will also start displaying onto you. That is what you will be doing, okay? आपके चैनल है क्या इंग्लिश का? No, Sayed, currently I do not have any channel for English. I have only one channel, and that is where you are here right now. PHRT, can we mix any animations? Yeah, PHRT, you can mix up the animations. That's absolutely the thing which you can do, and that you will be doing with the image part only. Yeah, you can mix up those things. Okay, I'll just answer the rest of the questions also. Okay, just let me very quickly write the further program, then I'll be answering rest of the questions. Perfect, everyone. So now we have pygame dot. I'll be using up mixer dot music dot load. So what I'm doing at this particular line, I'm just loading up my music. Whatever the music I am having up over here, I'm just loading that particular music, right? So the music name for me is song.mp3. So in the very starting, I have told each and every one of you that you need to download up a happy birthday song at your ends, right? So that is the song.mp3. At my end, I already have that mp3 song. Fine, perfect. And next I'll be writing pygame dot mixer dot music. It's gonna be like music dot play, right? So now what I'm doing, I'm just trying to play in my music, okay? Whatever the music I have downloaded up over here, whatever the music I have loaded up over here, I'm just trying to play up that particular music at this particular place here over here, right? So play function will help me to play that music, and coming down I'll let it know that how much time do I want it to sleep in. Okay, so let's say I want it to 20 seconds. So what will happen in as a final result, it's gonna be super awesome. Everyone listen me very carefully. So as a final result, my image will be displayed on my full screen, and for the next 20 seconds my happy birthday song is gonna play at the back end, and this is how the final output would look like. So I'll just take in the questions, some 2-3 questions, then I'll show you the final output. Okay, till the time you can just write this out. डिकोड गेमिंग दी अगर मेरे को सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बनना है तो कौन सा लैंग्वेज पढ़ना पड़ेगा? डिकोड गेमिंग यू कैन लाइक गो फॉर ईदर जावा, और आप सी या सी प्लस प्लस भी रेफर कर सकते हो, राइट? दैट्स द सी प्लस प्लस और जावा, बट आई प्रेफर जावा. यू कैन गो फॉर जावा. ओके Pratik, all images will come at same time. Yes, Pratik, if you haven't put out any time, any sleep time key, I want this much of sleep time, so all images will come at one same time only, right? All the images will come at one same time. सैयद, मैंने अभी डेवऑप्स सीख रहा है तो लैंग्वेज ज़रूरी है. मैं अभी डेवऑप्स सीख रहा हूँ तो लैंग्वेज ज़रूरी है. ये सैयद, for the DevOps also, like, yeah, you will require up some programming language that you even need to learn it up at your end, right? What if we load multiple audios? Yeah, so Pratik, absolutely, you can load multiple audios, right? If you are not gonna give some sleep time, so whatsoever, either you will get some error, or whatever will be the last audio that will be played, right? And if you are giving sleep times and loading multiple audios, then the program will run very smoothly. Okay. PHRG, do not we mention the music file in bracket? No, not needed. We had put in these round brackets, no? these round brackets. So into these round brackets only you will just like put in the song name. No special or no large brackets are not needed for putting up the like for putting up your I'll say the file name. Okay, Sayed, मुझे English problem है. So you can just try speaking this at your end, like try speaking with your family members or with your friends or any other person. So slowly and gradually you'll develop up the communication skills onto your own only. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Instamaplo. Instamplo. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Stamplo. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong. Hi Satyam. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Success plan. Thanks a lot. Okay, it's the time for displaying the final output. It's gonna be super awesome. Everyone, look over. So I'm gonna run in the project and let's see how is the output over here. So click over run. Okay, so I hope you people were able to listen the music which was being played, right? If I can get that confirmation, were you people able to listen that background music? First of all, let me know that. Sayed, not every day, not every day. I don't do live every day. It's just that I do the live on Saturday evenings, 10 p.m. in the night. Only Saturdays. Ankur, happy birthday. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Ankur. Thanks a lot. PA Shaji, okay, perfect. So what I'll do, I'll just try to increase up the volume once again. I'll just try to make it full over here. Right, then I'll just try to run it up on once over here. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Pratik. I'll just try to run it once again. Perfect. Right, so I hope this time you people were able to listen my music, right? Okay, Pratik, perfect. Sayed, मुझे Python सीखना है, आप सिखा सकते हो. Sayed, if you want to learn Python from me now, so you can just refer out to my videos which I have up over the YouTube, my basic Python playlist or some of the stuffs like that, right? And if you're talking about one-on-one sessions, Sayed, so currently I'm not providing any one-on-one sessions. It's just that I'm associated with some companies, and for those companies I'm providing with the group batches and the things. Okay. Nikhil, thank you. Thanks a lot. Pratik, can you play the entire audio without knowing the audio length, without knowing? Yeah, you can just simply entire audio. No, Pratik, you will not be able to do that clearly. No. You will not be able to do that clearly. It's just that key. You need to mention in some time over here, right? You need to just mention in some time over here. You need to do. Okay. Yeah, sure. Uncle, can please put that question for me over here. Aryan Gupta, thank you. Thanks a lot, Aryan Gupta. And yeah, everyone whosoever is having whatever the questions, guys, if people can please put down the questions over here in the chat box. And I'll be really happy to answer all of those for you all. Actually, this is one of my very favorite projects of Python. Actually, yes, this is a very favorite project of me. in Python programming language. And I really love this project a lot because you have an image, you have a song over here also, right? It's not too long also. It's a short project but a very awesome one. So that's one of my favorite projects over here. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Niharika. Hi. It's Nihileo Looney. Okay, hi. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. It's never too late. Thanks a lot. Okay, perfect, Pratik, Shalini. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Shalini, for this. I can once again run the project. Okay, perfect everyone. So here I am having some questions from you all. Let me answer those over. PHRT, if I create a sound file in my local system, we can call that file also here. Yes, absolutely, PHRT. If you create up a local file, a file into a local system, absolutely you can call that particular file also here. Yes, you can do, but one condition, that particular file should be present in the same folder into which your Python file is there, in which you are actually writing up the program. Okay, in that. Ankur, from which language should I start my coding journey, as if I'm starting from totally scratch for placement's point of view? Okay, Ankur, I'll recommend you that if you're like thinking for the placement point of view, so first of all you should decide in that which particular field you want to go in, right? As in my case, I wanted to come to data science, right? So I started with my Python. If you want to be into web development, something like that, you can start with Java, JavaScript. If you want to in data science, AI, ML, deep learning, you can start in with Python. Okay, so Ankur, I'll recommend you first try to think in over and select in that which field you want to go in further. And just after you are done with that particular field and the choosing of all of those tasks, whatever is the programming language that is required in that particular field, go ahead with that particular language. Okay, that will be my suggestion to you. Satyam Paul, very nice, doing great. Well, thank you, thanks a lot, Satyam. Suni, is this live class? Yes, it's a live class actually. A coding section, happy birthday. What is your age now? Coding section, thank you, thanks a lot for my birthday wishes and my age. Actually, let me ask this question to you people only. Let me find some answers. Anyone who knows about my age, like what's my age currently? Because yesterday only I put in up a video onto the channel about the same thing, right? So that's why anyone who knows about my age. Prakhar, thank you, thanks a lot, Prakhar, thanks a lot, Sunny. Verghese, how to create a drop down box? See, for the drop down box now you can refer the tkinter library, right? So in the tkinter you're having a option for drop down. So from that particular one you can make up a drop down box and you can just like proceed in with that particular program. Okay. Sayed, person practice. No, Sayed, I'm sorry, I really do not deliver any one-on-one sessions currently. I'm not taking any one-on-one sessions, okay? So at some sort of time, if you have any doubt or if you have any question, you can come to live streams on Saturday evenings and you can just like take this, getting your doubt clear over here, right? For one-on-one sessions, I'm completely not doing that for now, okay? Nikhil ma'am, please make a video creating Telegram bot. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot, Nikhil. Thanks a lot for your suggestion. Anko 21, 22, 27, Python key 21, 80. Oh my god, I'm not that old of 80. It's 21. It's 21, right, Ankur? And Prakhar, correct. Both of you correct. 21. Yesterday only I did put up a video onto the channel, so I guess you people haven't subscribed out the channel. So guys, everyone go ahead and subscribe out the channel very quickly, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that you do not miss out any updates from my side actually. Okay. Great everyone. So let me know how many of you enjoyed making this project with me over here. Yeah, you guessed it right. Correct. Perfect. Right. So again, I'll tell you all that from day after tomorrow. That is Monday, right? So from Monday, a new series of the DSA is coming onto my channel, right? Data structures and algorithms with the Python programming language, the most demanded series, right? That is coming from Monday morning 9 a.m. So everyone, make sure that you have subscribed out the channel, even you had like set that notification bell on, so that you do not miss out any videos from my side or any updates from my side, right? So in that particular series, we'll be learning a lot about DSA. Okay, we will be like doing the theoretical things, we'll be like doing the practical things, right? We'll be solving some questions also. I'll be even telling you that what's the way for solving the question, what's the procedure, what's the method. Everything will be covering from A to Z into that particular videos, right? The videos are going to be recorded. So every morning 9 a.m. you'll get in a ting ting notification onto your mobile phones that Fun with Data Science has uploaded up a new video on data structures and algorithm, right? So in that case, you can just watch out the videos. What are the doubts you're having? You can just write that doubts into the comment box, and I'll be really happy to apply and answer all of those doubts for you all. And the second thing is, every Saturday we have the live stream, right? So here you can come in up and clear up your doubts also if related to anything or any topic or something like that. Okay. Yeah, it's 21 Nikhil. Pratik, it was very creative. Thanks, Shambhavi. Thanks. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, Pratik. Thanks a lot. Sunil, in this class only on Saturday, any recording previous class, and not hear what you said and not Dropbox. Okay. So yeah, this class is only on Saturdays. Yes, Saturdays 10 p.m. in the night. Recordings of the previous class, you will get up a playlist of live sessions in my playlist section. Okay, so go to my playlist section just besides the video option. There you have a playlist section. Go over there and check out the playlist for live sessions. You will be getting up a lot of live sessions which have been happened. I guess previous, how many we have done? I guess we have done some 25 or 30 live streams, no? So you will get all of those. For the drop down, I was talking about that you can use up the tkinter library for that drop down. And from that tkinter library, you can make up a drop down option here, and you can just simply apply that and use that further onto your project or onto your program. So tkinter is a good library, is a good and perfect library which you can use in for your I'll say for the drop down options. Oh, 34 in total we have done 34 live streams, so you'll get all of those over there. Okay. PHRT next project with QR code. Achha, about the scanning of the QR code. I guess we had made the QR code once, na? We had made the QR code once. We have made it once. Thank you so much. Om Sayed ma'am, aapka. Oh my God, Sayed, my name is Shambhavi Gupta. Okay, Shambhavi Gupta. If you are interested in app development, Ankur, so you can go to your JavaScript. You can go for JavaScript in the app development. It will be good. Python is also a very good option because currently many platforms or many companies are using Python also, right? So you can decide between Python or JavaScript of your choice. Oh my God, Nikhil, what happened? All in one. Thank you so much, all in one, for the wishes. Yes, we have already made in the QR code PHRG. So you can just check in I guess you can check in the thumbnails. In the thumbnail, you have a title of the QR code. I had put that, right? So you can just go and check in the thumbnail. In that thumbnail, wherever you get the QR code of like title, you can just prefer that particular live stream. That will be the one where we have made in the QR codes. Okay. Yes, absolutely. Python is very good for beginners. It's easy to learn language, easy to code it is, right? Syntax are very simple over here. And yeah, that's what all you have up over here, right? In Python. So absolutely, it's an awesome language for the beginners. Anchor, if we're talking about the artificial intelligence AI, so there you have only one language, which is a Python. So if you want to go in the field of AI, use Python and learn Python. Okay, there you need to learn in your Python programming language. That is only the one option. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Sandeep. Thanks a lot. Niharika, JavaScript is good for web development along with Angular React. Is good along with Angular or yeah, absolutely, Niharika. That's so true. JavaScript is absolutely a very good option with your Angular or with your React. Correct, correct, correct. Absolutely right. Okay, everyone. Then perfect. What about DevOps? Yeah, PHRD DevOps is also a good option. You can just like if you're a beginner, you want to go into that particular one. So yeah, you can start your DevOps journey. Also, it's also a good option. So okay, perfect, everyone. Here we complete up this today's live stream, right? So I hope you all might have enjoyed making up this project over here with me. I hope you all have really enjoyed because I really enjoyed a lot, and really thanks a lot everyone for all of your wonderful wishes. I was very happy to see you all over here giving me the wishes, giving me the blessings. So yeah, thank you everyone a lot for that. And one more thing, today only I completed 5 lakh plus views onto my Josh Talk spoken English video, right? So for that also everyone, thanks a lot for all the support which you people have shown for me over there and over here also, and I hope to expect the same support and the same love from you all in the future also. So yes, thank you. Oh, okay, Pranav, thank you. Thanks a lot, Pranav. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Learning. Thanks a lot, Bibash. Thank you. Okay, perfect, perfect. Most welcome, PHRG. Ankur Pranav, not any plans for the Java. We'll see in future. Not currently, though, I do not have any plans for Java. Okay. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, Mohammed Ashraf. Thank you. Thanks a lot for the wishes. Perfect, everyone. So thank you everyone for attending this live stream. Thank you everyone for being here. I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening with some more new and with some more awesome project for you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Shalini. And once again, thanks a lot each and every one of you for coming over here, for giving me these many wishes and these many blessings. And I hope we will continue showering up your support and love for me further in the future also. So thank you everyone for attending. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great week ahead of you. Bye and take care.